Welcome to MBA Solutions. I am Manjunath, working as an assistant professor at VVC Mysuru. In this video, let us discuss company's resolution and its kinds. Before going into the video, if you have not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon to receive more notifications. What are company's resolution and what are the kinds of resolutions? So it is by resolution company makes decision and speaks. Resolution is nothing but resolve. Resolve means solve. Resolution is nothing but a decision that has been passed in a proper procedure. And based on this resolution, company makes decision and it speaks. That means through resolution, it enter into contract or it takes all the activities of the organization basically through resolution. If any particular decision to be taken in a meeting, then that means any particular decision has to be taken in a meeting, then proposal is brought to the notice through a motion. So how resolution happens in step by step format? Resolution is nothing but decision making or taking a decision on a particular issue, resolve certain set of issues, and based on these resolutions the companies speak. That means it enter into contract, it does its day-to-day activity through majority through resolution. And any decision that has to be taken in a meeting, then this is the format. The format is proposal is brought to the notice through a motion. That means motion is formal proposal. So any proposal through members of the company, directors of the company, or anybody like auditors of the company, anybody. So they have to have a formal proposal, that is called motion, in a meeting. So you cannot simply bring any change, any resolution, any decision. It has to happen through a proper formal proposal. So it has to be brought through the notice in the meeting. That means it has to be that formal proposal of what you want to do, what you want to say should come to the notice of each and every individual. That proposal has to be passed. Then motion to be discussed and deliberated by all the members of the meeting. So whatever proposal any party makes in the meeting, that has to be discussed and deliberated. That means long discussion should happen by all the members of the meeting. For example, if in the government of India wanted to make helmet is mandatory for two-wheelers, then that particular decision has to be passed in the form of this only. Proposal has to be made and formal proposal has to be noticed in the meeting. Then that particular proposal or motion will be discussed and deliberated by all the members who are a part of the meeting. Then motion is put to vote. That means vote for and against of that particular decision. Voting will happen based on that particular formal proposal. Then resolution is passed and decision is taken. If vote based on the number of votes, based on how much vote that particular decision takes, based on that the resolution will be passed and decisions will be taken. Based on that decisions will be taken, and finally whatever document will be issued, that is called resolution. That is a formal document which talks about what decision the people or members in the meeting they have taken. So this is the procedure. First, formal proposal has to be passed in the meeting. Then that proposal will be discussed and long deliberation, long discussion will be happening on that particular proposal by the members of the meeting. Then motion is put to vote. That means whatever proposal when the party is making, that will be put on to the vote. And finally, based on the number of votes, resolution will be passed and decision will be taken. Now coming to types of resolution, there are two kinds of resolution. Ordinary resolution. So what is ordinary resolution? This is one of the kinds of resolution. In ordinary resolution, votes cast in favor of resolution is more than the votes cast against it. So any decision, when it comes to voting, any voting which happens more, votes cast in favor of that particular resolution is more than the vote cast against it. That is more than 50%. So if there are 100 members, if 51%, if 51 members approve saying that this resolution has to be passed and 49 might have disapproved, then the vote cast in favor of resolution is more, that is 51 is more than 49. That is called ordinary resolution. If shareholders, board of directors, members oppose the motion, then they can cast vote against it. You may ask, sir, why this resolution will have for and against voting? If people might think this particular resolution decision is not applicable or not required, then they may cast vote against this particular decision. So that is, it depends on shareholders, board of directors, members. If they feel that this decision is not required, they might cast vote against it. But whatever vote that has been casted in favor of that particular decision, if it is more than that of the vote casted against it, then it is called ordinary resolution. Simple majority rule is applicable here. That means simple majority means anything above 50% of voting, that will be ordinary resolution. Now coming to special resolution, votes cast in favor of resolution is 3 times more than vote cast against it. So it should be 3 times bigger, 3 times more than the vote against that particular decision. So vote cast in favor of that situation or that particular decision should be 3 times bigger or more than the vote cast against that particular decision. Then it is called special resolution. Here special majority rule is applicable. So here special majority rule will come into picture. Let us understand this with an example. Out of 100 members in a meeting, if 25 are not in favor of resolution and 75 are in favor of the resolution. So 75 is 3 times that of 25. Hence, 75 people out of 100 are in favor of resolution, 25 are not in favor of resolution. Hence, this can be considered as special resolution. And whenever, please understand, in any meeting, if you want to change MOA, alter AOA, lot of decisions are taken based on special resolution only in organization. Very few decisions are taken based on ordinary resolution. Hence, special resolution play a major role. That means 3 times more, or you may say 75% of the members. 75% of the members who are present in that meeting, they have to cast vote with respect to or in favor of that particular decision. Then it is considered as special resolution. So this is with respect to company's resolution and its kinds. Thank you very much for watching the video.